guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Globein for March. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received March Globein box. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Globein, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I'm really excited to see what is inside of this box because I think I know what is going to be in here this time, and I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and, ooh, my paper got stuck on there. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what all we have for this month. Now, if you guys don't know about Globein, when you go to order or every month that you are still a subscriber, you can either have them choose the monthly one that they have for that particular month, or you can do a surprise me, or you can pick from all of the different options that they have to offer. And this is what I really like about Globein, because you get to choose ones that you would actually like and not just get stuff that you might not want. You know, I really like that you can choose that. So let's go ahead and get all this stuff out of this box so we can see what we have. Okay, so now that I have all of the boxes out of the big box, at least we can go through and see what we have. So this particular box is called the Speakeasy Box, and I'm really excited to see what this is all about. I mean, I can kind of see on the front of the card, but when you get them in your hands, it's completely different. Super cute. We have a little tray. Now, if you guys have been following me, you know I don't really care for yellow gold. So technically, if I wanted to get picky, I could tape this off and spray paint this black or silver or brown or anything like that to go with my decor. But I think this is super cute. I really like that they do have the tall edges on the side. It is higher than some little trays that you get, because now everything will stay directly in your tray. That would even be cute sitting out with like a little flower arrangement or something in there. You can use this tray for anything, you guys. So that is super cute. And this is made in India. So this is handmade in India. It does have the little feet right there to protect the counter that you're sitting it on. So I appreciate that. And then you have the two handles. I like the little different shape to it. You know, kind of like a little hexagon shape, but oblong, rectangular. I think it's really cool. I like the shape and I like the actual tray itself. That can be used for a lot of different things. So then now we have, ooh, I know which one this one is. So now we have a shaker. So this is the shaker that is really pretty design on there. And this one is made in India. So you have the top, and that's a good, oh, that is a good fit. Like I have so, Jesus, can I, yeah. Whoa. There has been so many of these shakers that I have actually used and had to throw away. I've had plastic ones that have broke. I have metal ones that just kept leaking and didn't get a good seal. So I greatly appreciate that this has a really good seal on it. Like, that is I'm gonna spend more time trying to get the lid on than doing it, and that's okay, because I know it's not going to leak and I'm gonna be good to go. It's like a good seal. So that's awesome. So there you go. We have a shaker. So if you like to mix your drinks, which I definitely love a good dirty martini, oh my goodness. So that is why I'm really excited about this set. So let's get into these so I can show you what the last two items are. Oh, they're so pretty. They're like rainbow, like they're iridescent. The color is iridescent, and I'm getting like all the different colors. Can you see that? All the different iridescent colors coming through. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. These are handmade in Mexico, and that is a really good size. I can use these for my dirty martinis. I can use these for margarita glasses, but that is super pretty. And then there's two of those cups. So let's get the other one out. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love these. So here you go. And at least these look like they're about the same size. I know one time I got little margarita glasses. They're like half this size. And one of them, if you could believe it, was even a lot smaller than the other one. And you could definitely tell by holding them side by side because they're all handmade, so they're not all gonna be the same. But those two were a significant eye-seeing difference. These look exactly the same size. They're the same color, the iridescent. These are beautiful glasses. So there's that, both they're made in Mexico. And then you have the little, I don't want to poke myself, but you have these for like if you were to make a dirty martini. You can stick the olives on here and then stick them in the glass. So those are super pretty. And oh my gosh, this matches the shaker with the same little design that is on here, just this is bigger, but this is the same color and the same design of the shaker. And then you have this little sharp point on the end. So that is everything that came in this Speakeasy box. I'm super pleased with this box. Let me show you everything. I'll put it on the little tray here. So if you want a quick recap, this is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. I'm loving the tray. I'm loving the glasses. I like the shaker and these little guys too, because I love putting my olives in my dirty martinis. So that's perfect. And I like the little tray because you can use the tray for anything. So you guys comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this particular theme that I received? I'm super ecstatic over this one. I'm really liking this theme, you guys. If you want a little bit more information about Globein, I will let you know right about now. I do have a code, which is SheCrafty. SheCrafty will get you 50% off your very first box if you get a 3-month subscription or higher. Have them all linked down below. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $38. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $35. And if you go to the 12-month subscription, it brings it to $33 per box. Our mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers, and that they definitely do. We help our customers discover amazing goods in distant lands from the comfort of their home. Through our delightful, useful, and vibrant goods, we offer our customers the means to feel well-traveled and culturally experienced. For our artisans in the developing world, we give their business global reach to share their extraordinary creations and inspiring stories. And I just love that almost everything is just handmade from different countries, something you would never ever know is even out there. And Globein brings those directly to your home while you're safe and sound at home, which I absolutely love. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, comment down below, what did you think of the Speakeasy box? What do you think of Globein in general? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.